Hello student, this is lesson number 3 in managerial economics. Myself, Professor G. Rajkumar, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Commerce, SIFT 2, Sacred Hearts College, Autonomous Therapy. In this video, we will be discussing about the importance of managerial economics. After watching this video, you will understand the importance of managerial economics. Why managerial economics is important to study. Why companies, industry and an individual must study managerial economics. This is what we will be talking about in today's class. Let us begin. Importance of managerial economics. The very first one in our list is business planning and forecasting. Managerial economics plays an important role in formulating the business policies. It is said that when a business activities or business policies are planned, half the job has been completed. Hence, all the business activity must start with proper planning. Managerial economics helps the management to plan the business policies and the business activities. It gives techniques, it gives theories, it gives principles to plan the business activity and the business planning. And also, not only planning business activities and policies, but also it forecasts the future demand and uncertainties. Future is always uncertain, we cannot predict, but with the help of the managerial economics provides tools and techniques to predict the future demands and uncertainties. With the help of the managerial economics, management can predict the future demand in order to supply the demand and also take action against uncertainties of business activities. Hence, managerial economics is very important to study. The second one in our list is analysis of cost and production. A management must analyze the cost because in companies the resources are limited or scarce. That should not be wasted, that should not be extravagantly spent on business activity. So cost must be analyzed, cost or expenses must be analyzed. With the help of the managerial economics or with the help of the managerial economics tools and techniques, economists can analyze the cost and minimize the cost. When economists minimize the cost, automatically the profit will increase. So economists must analyze the cost in order to increase the profit. Not only decrease the cost and increase the profit, but also by analyzing the cost, the wastages can be minimized with the proper planning, with the proper analysis of cost. And the production analysis. Managerial economics helps to produce quality product or with a good product. Managerial economics gives techniques, ideas for rejuvenate the product or innovate the product in order to reach more customer of the product. So it is very important to study the managerial economics to analyze the cost and the production. Why? Because managerial economics helps to analyze the cost and production. The third importance of managerial economics is this: formulating pricing policies. Of course, it is very important to select the appropriate pricing method for the company. Why? Because the profit of the company or the future of the company depends upon the selection of pricing. There are numerous pricing methods out there. Managerial economics will help to choose the apt pricing method for the company based on the nature and the characteristics of the company. So managerial economics will suggest the best pricing method for the company. So it is very important to study the managerial economics in order to fix the exact price for the firm or company or an industry or a business. The fourth one in our list is managing profit. It's very important to manage the profit. The utmost goal of every business is gaining profit. Managerial economics provides theories, tools, principles, strategy in order to gain the profit. No theories, no principles are created to direct the business. So it is very important to gain the profit for a business. So managerial economics promoted or formulated all the theories, principles only in order to make the business profit and lucrative. So the utmost goal of every business is to incur or to gain the profit. So managerial economics will give all the ideas in order to make the company profitable. So it is very important to study the managerial economics, especially for the business people or industrialist. The fifth one in our list is capital management. It is very important to fix the mix of capital for the company. There are types of mix of capitals. It must be analyzed. Why? Because capital will have a capital expenditure. When managerial economics give idea techniques, with the help of them, management can choose the best capital mix for their company. So it is very important to study the managerial economics to fix the capital. The sixth one in our list is systemization of business activities. All the business activities must systemized, because one activity to another activity there is a coordination, there is a interlink. If the business activities are not systemized, it will be derogatory to the business, or if the business will not run smoothly, it will get interrupted. If business activities are systemized, the business will run smoothly and uninterruptedly. So in order to make the business smooth run, all the activities of business must be systemized. There managerial economics plays an important role to systemize the managerial activities or business activities. With the help of the managerial economics, the management can systemize the business activity. So it is very important to study the managerial economics to systemize the business activity. The last one in our list is resolves problem related to business taxation. Of course, the company must return the income tax every year. So all the financial transaction must be recorded and documented for the future verification. Here, managerial economics helps the management to document all the financial transaction systematically. So managerial economics helps to document all the financial transaction as a document for the future verification. So it is very important to study the managerial economics to resolve the problem related to taxation. So these are the importance of managerial economics. Here in this video we discussed the major importance of managerial economics. This is not the only importance of managerial economics. There are other importance of managerial economics. In this video we have seen or we have discussed only the major importance of managerial economics. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video is helpful to the student. Kindly do subscribe my channel for more videos. We have been posting numerous videos in managerial economics. Thank you very much.